Hello friends, today I will show you an idea how to conduct the morning assembly. So let's start. A very cheerful morning to our hostel principal ma'am, benevolent teachers and my dear school fellows. A new day means a fresh start and new opportunities. So let's greet the day with open arms. No day can be started without remembering the Almighty, the creator of whole universe. So now I would like to request School Joy to help us communicate with God. Please join your hands, close your eyes and get ready for the morning prayer. A meaningful thought has a unique place in our life. So to enlighten us and brighter our morning, here comes my friend for the thought of the day. Each moment contains 100 message. So let's call my friend from class 4th B to recite a poem. We should be aware of the things happening around the world to keep us up to date. I would like to call my friend for today news. An oath is a way to make us aware of duties towards our nation. So I request my friend to lead us with the pledge. At last, we have to end our assembly. So let's remember our motherland by singing national anthem. In this way you can conduct your morning assembly. I will meet you in the next video.